What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am filming some unboxings this evening, and tonight I have the Seoul Beauty box from the month of April. I'm just gonna get right into it. So, don't mind my makeup. I've been filming all night. My hair is kind of crazy. Whatever, it is what it is. We're here, we're doing it. First thing in this box is the moisture balancing mask. I feel like they always throw one of these sheet masks in there. Keith at her apartment hand cream. Ooh, interesting component. I guess hand cream is skincare, but oh, interesting. Hello? Really unique bottle. It's like, oh, I did it wrong. Okay, I totally took it off wrong. The cap pops on and off, it doesn't screw off like I just did. Oopsie. Wow. Okay, this is really, really good. It smells so good. It's like heavily perfumed, but very sweet. It's like an earthy, deep, sweet type of smell. Not like vanilla at all, but like a floral sweet. Wow, that smells really good. Okay. Love that. Calming softener. Ooh. Is the Clear Veil UV Protecting Serum. SPF 50. Okay. Love that. Tranexamic Acid Glutathione Brightening Eye Cream. Love that. Definitely gonna try that. Blanc Dubu. Saying that's so wrong, I know it. Blanc Dubu Retinol Shot. Ooh. Cool component. I just got rid of my retinol treatment because it was expired. I'm sure I have some. Wow, that's really cool. Super cool, super medical looking. Definitely excited to try this guy. That is what was in my Seoul Beauty box for the month of April. I do really like this beauty subscription. I just have accumulated so many skincare products that it's impossible for me to really try them and see what I like. I like Ipsy because you get a lot of makeup, and makeup you can like try it, yes I like it, no I don't. It's very quick to decide if a product is like worth it. The skincare is amazing. Every product I've tried from them is actually really good, although mostly unscented, but it's just a lot at this point. I think this is 6 months I've had it now, and so I've accumulated so much Korean skincare, it's impossible for me to use it before it expires. So I definitely am taking a break from this membership. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me. And I hope you guys have a great night.